lesson today is multiplying and dividing scientific notation. Your standard for this lesson is MCC8.EE.4. Perform operations with numbers expressed in scientific notation, including problems where both decimal and scientific notation are used. Use scientific notation and choose units of appropriate size for measurements of very large or very small quantities.
There are 3 vocabulary words for this lesson. Your first word is coefficient, which is a number that stands alone. For example, 3 times 10 squared, when 3 is your coefficient. Your second word is exponent, which is a quantity representing the power to which a given number is raised. For example, 3 squared and 2 is the power it's raised to. And third, scientific notation, which is a way of writing or displaying numbers in terms of a decimal number between 1 and 10. Your example is 2 times 10 to the 8, and this is your number written in scientific notation. This is your coefficient, this is your base, and this is your exponent.
This is your steps for this lesson. Step 1, multiply the coefficients. Step 2, add the exponents.
Your first example for multiplying scientific notation is 3 times 10 to the 5th times 5 times 10 to the 8th. Your first step for this problem is multiply the coefficients. And our coefficients in this problem are the numbers that stand alone, which is 3 and 5. So 5 times 3 gives you 15. And next we have to add the exponents. And the base of 10 remains the same. So we can go ahead and write 10. And next we have to add the exponents. So we have 5 plus 8, which gives you 13. So your answer for this example is 15 times 10 to the 13th. Your steps for dividing scientific notation is to first divide the coefficients. Your second step is to subtract the exponents, and the base of 10 remains the same. Your first example for dividing scientific notation is 8 times 10 to the 3rd divided by 4 times 10 to the 2nd. Your steps for this example are first divide the coefficients, and second subtract the exponents, and the base of 10 remains the same. So for our first step, we're going to divide the coefficients, which are 8 and 4. So 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. So second, we have to subtract the exponents, and the base of 10 remains the same. So we can go ahead and write the base of 10, and then subtract our exponents. So 3 minus 2 gives us 1. So our answer is 2 times 10 to the 1st.